Picture this. You click on a YouTube video, watch it for 30 seconds, and just like that, you make money. Just look at all of these YouTube videos. All you need to do is watch one video for 30 seconds at a time, and then you're gonna get paid. Take a look at all of these payment proofs. I'm super stoked that I get to share with you these 5 amazing websites that will pay you for simply watching videos. I'll also walk you through all the details and examples so that you can make your first big bucks from anywhere in the world with no investment, because this is a 100% free strategy. And remember, the more apps you use, the more money you'll make. So make sure you watch all the way to the end to learn about all 5 websites and applications that can help you maximize your earnings. And don't forget, I'll be giving special bonus tips that will allow you to earn twice as much money versus other people. Make sure you stick around. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First up, I want to introduce you to this website right here in our screen. It's called ucubes.com. You can see here that they have over 700,000 members and have been around since 2007. This website will be paying you for visiting different websites, completing surveys, and more importantly, for watching videos. Over 20,000 payments have been made to people from all over the globe. So to sign up for a free account, all you have to do is click on this button right here where it says sign up. Now I want you to come over to this page where you can see this. Here, I want you to type in your email address, password, full name, and your username of choice. Also, put in your gender, your date of birth, and select which country you're from. As you can see on the list, they are accepting people from all countries from anywhere in the world. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. So next, under the section, How did you hear about them? You could just type in YouTube. Then click on I'm not a robot, and go on and read the privacy policy and agree to the terms and conditions. After that, you're registered for a free account. From there, you can just watch simple YouTube videos, just like this one, for 30 seconds to a full minute, and they will pay you your money. Here's a tip. What you can do is just mute the video and let it play in the background without actively watching it. This way, you can open up multiple tabs, and by doing so, you can essentially make more money with much less time. Another thing that you could do is also use your phone and computer at the same time, so you could watch different videos and you can speed up your earning process by a lot. Are you ready for another bonus tip? There's something right here on YouTube that will let you watch the video faster. Click on the gear button and you can see under playback speed that you can actually speed up the videos by choosing 2 times speed, as you can see here. When you click on this, the video will actually go so much faster, double the speed. And by doing that, you can watch a whole 30-second video in just 15 seconds of real time. Another thing is that you can actually turn down the quality of the video as well. That way, you can save your data connection, and that's going to save you more time if you have a slow internet connection. Moving on to the second website, which we can watch videos and make money. This website is called bucksinside.com. As you can see here, they pay their users for every 10 seconds of video watched. That's the thing that I love about this website, because you can just watch a very short clip and you get paid. What's more is that with this website, you can cash out instantly once you reach the $2 limit. As soon as you reach $2, you can cash out and withdraw your money on the website. They even show you the latest 250 payments that they have sent out to people from all over the world. Look at all these locations that they're covering right now, and they're growing every single day. I absolutely love that they're very transparent about all the payments that they send out to people. You can see here all of the usernames and all of the flags of their countries. As you can see, all of the earnings are in US dollars, and all of the payment methods include the likes of PayPal, Payoneer, and all these other payment methods. Other than the recent payouts that the website has made to its users, we can actually see right here the total earnings of top users. Look at this guy right here earning this much money just by watching videos on this one website. And get a load of this other user right here earning this much money. It's crazy. Now, if you want to sign up for a free account, you can just click on this register button right on top. It's then going to take you to this registration form, and you can just put in whatever username you want, your payment preference, your email address, And under the referral section, you can just leave it blank because I'm not here to promote my own referral link. I just want to share this opportunity with you to try and help you to make money online. Now, moving on to currency. You can just choose US dollar or your local currency. And for the payment method, you can choose from all of these options. Now put in your birth year, and right at the bottom, you're going to see this question. And this is just to make sure that you're not a robot. Now you can just read the terms of service, and you can agree to that by clicking on this, then on the register button. Now you've got your free account. Now on to the third website. We are going to go to fusioncash.net. Here's what's really cool about this website. They give you a $5 sign-up bonus when you sign up for a free account. All you've got to do is click on this button right here where it says Get $5. Then you can register for a free account. Just type in your username, email address, your password, then confirm your password, and put in the zip code of your country. Then just click on the register button. Don't forget to make sure you confirm your email address. Check your email inbox for the verification link. Once you sign up for that free account, you can now watch different videos to start making money. You can also complete a lot of different tasks. Download different mobile apps to make money, or simply just play different games. You can even refer friends to this website. It's truly that easy. Now for website number 4. This one is called irazoo.com. Just like the previous websites, this website is definitely legit. With this website, you can earn free gift cards and cash. They already have a decent track record of paying out a lot of cash prizes to all its members. They have been featured in a bunch of news websites already, including CNN and also the Wall Street Journal. Here's how it works. You can join this website for absolutely free and then start watching videos and earning points. Eventually, you can convert these points and the actual money, including cash prizes and PayPal money. Here you get paid for watching videos online. You can click on this button right here where it says Get Started, and it's going to take you to this page where you can join using your Facebook account or your email. You can just put in your email address, details such as your first name, last name, and your password. Then you can create a free account right off the bat. This is what it looks like once you log into your account right here on irazoo. This is your dashboard, which you are going to see right when you log in. Now here are a few tips so you can earn yourself some free points by just setting up your profile. You can answer a few questions, verify your email address, and upload a profile picture as well. Through doing all these things, you can earn a couple of extra points. The only catch with this website is the only way you can cash out is through PayPal. But regardless, PayPal money is still money, and you can earn a lot of it through this website by simply watching videos. Now for our final app where you can make money by simply watching videos. This app is called App Nana. You can download this on your iOS or on your Android phone, and when you go in there, you can do plenty of different things. You can play games, do surveys, and you can watch videos. The point system they're using here is called Nana Points. You can convert those Nana Points into actual money. As you can see here, you earn nanas, which you can then convert to cash via PayPal money, Skrill, Payoneer, bank transfers, and so many other different ways. On top of that, you can also join the referral program. This way, you earn extra money. You can just click on this link and you can go over to this page where you just have to put in all your details and just sign up, and that's all you gotta do. It's actually very simple, and you can share the code on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, or whatever social media platform you like. Just share this with your friends and you can make one more bonus stream of income while you watch the videos yourself. So what are you waiting for? Sign up and make money online by watching videos today. And that's it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.